In this video, we will be talking about the basics of Audacity, a useful software that can record and edit audio, as well as assist in composing an audible and cohesive story. To start, open Audacity, which can be found in your Applications folder. Looking at the top left corner, we have the Transport toolbar. This consists of play, stop, and record buttons. Underneath this section is a row of icons that represent cut, copy, and paste functions. Right next to this are your editing tools, also known as the Tools toolbar. On the right side of the editing tools is the Recording toolbar, which are two long bars that pick up sound volume once you begin to record. You will see green, yellow, and red depending on how loud the signal is. Below your timeline is your time ruler. Once you import your track, you will be able to see the length of your track by matching it with the number touching the timeline. This will appear in 15-second intervals by default. Now, underneath the timeline is the dashboard where your tracks will appear in sound wave format. Sound waves are a visual representation of the audio volume. Some will appear taller or shorter than others, depending on the sound. Lastly, on the very bottom lies the section and the time toolbar. It controls the sample rate of the project in Hertz and also displays the current audio position. And now you know the basics of Audacity. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out our other video tutorials.